Have you heard of CoreWeave? It's one of the newest, most talked about stocks in the AI infrastructure world. Since its IPO earlier in 2025, it's been making waves, landing big contracts, skyrocketing revenue, and capturing the attention of Wall Street. But is it a genuine long-term play or just hype? Let's break it down. What is CoreWeave? CoreWeave, Inc., ticker CRWV, is a cloud infrastructure company built specifically for AI workloads. Founded in 2017 as Atlantic Crypto, the company initially mined using GPUs, then pivoted to providing GPU cloud services, deploying specialized data centers optimized for AI training and inference. They own data centers in the US and Europe, and their infrastructure is tailored for performance, not generic cloud. Their branding calls them the AI hyperscaler TM, emphasizing that they aim to scale with the needs of large AI workloads. Recent performance and AMP, key deals. CoreWeave's trajectory in 2025 has been dramatic. After going public in March 2025 at around $40 per share, its valuation and stock price exploded. In Q1 2025, CoreWeave reported 420% year-over-year revenue growth. Its revenue, TTM, is now in the billions, but it is still operating at a loss. Some of its headline deals, Meta deal worth up to $14.2 billion through 2031. That gives it long visibility and shows confidence from one of the largest tech firms. OpenAI expansion, now totaling $22.4 billion in contract value. A $6.3 billion order with Nvidia that includes a guarantee for unused capacity purchases. These deals are reshaping CoreWeave's client concentration, less dependent on a single major partner, and providing cash flow visibility. Analysts are taking notice. Citizens JMP recently upgraded CRWV to market outperform, targeting $180. Evercore ISI initiated coverage with an outperform rating and sees 40% upside. But not everyone is bullish. D.A. Davidson has maintained a cautious view and downgraded expectations. Yahoo Finance strengths and AMP risks. Let's talk what's working and what could go wrong. Strengths. Niche specialization. Unlike general cloud providers, CoreWeave's purpose-built infrastructure gives it an edge for AI workloads that demand performance. Strategic partnerships. Deals with Nvidia, Meta, and OpenAI give it credibility, capital, and client diversity. Revenue backlog, RPO. Large multi-year contracts ensure future income visibility. Risks. Profitability concerns. Despite revenue growth, the company is still posting large losses. Heavy capital expenditures, CapEx. Scaling data centers, GPU hardware, and infrastructure costs are enormous. Customer concentration. For years, CoreWeave relied heavily on a few big clients like Microsoft and OpenAI. If one pulls back, it could hurt revenue significantly. Valuation pressure. The current valuation assumes flawless execution. Any misstep could trigger sharp downside. Debt and AMP, leverage. To fund growth, CoreWeave has taken on substantial debt. If cash flows lag, servicing that debt may become difficult. Competition. Major cloud players, AWS, Google, Azure, are also ramping AI offerings and could compete aggressively in GPU compute. What could 2025-2026 look like? If CoreWeave delivers, here's the upside path. Margin improvement. As scale increases and utilization improves, profitability could follow. Diversification of clients. The Meta deal helps reduce dependency on a few hyperscalers. Expansion into new geographies. More data centers in Europe, Asia, or emerging markets. Tokenization or platform services, adding layers above infrastructure, like AI platforms or developer tools. But negatives to watch include missing hardware delivery, slower AI model demand cycles, or regulatory clampdowns on large AI infrastructure providers. In short, upside is large, but risk is equally high. So, is CoreWeave a breakout AI infrastructure stock, or a high-risk bet? It's a fascinating company riding one of the strongest secular trends, AI compute demand. The deals and growth are real, but execution, costs, and market saturation remain real challenges. If you're bullish on AI, CoreWeave is a name worth watching. But don't bet your entire portfolio on it. Diversification is key. If you like this video, drop your take. Is CRWV part of your portfolio? What risk scares you most? Hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell. I'll see you next time.